the class.
Okay. Answer?
I like Sonu in the class.
Good. That's good. Whom do you like in the class? I like
Sonu in the class.
Very good. Next person, please. Ambika.
Why do you come to the class?
I come to study in the class.
Good.
In English.
I'll come to study English in the class. Okay? Please.
Where are your bag?
Where are?
Your bag.
Good. Where are your bags?
My bag.
My bag is my hands.
If it's one bag, then you'll say where?
Are your bag?
If it's one bag, then you'll say where?
His bag.
Is your bag?
Sorry, his bag.
Where
Is
your
your
bag? If there are more bags, where are your bags? Okay. So we'll answer this question. Where are you?
My bag is in my hand.
My bag is in my
hand.
My bag is on.
Is he correct? My bag is in my hand?
Yes.
Yes, he's correct.
Yes,
Because
he is
it's in his hand. Okay? So, we have now learned how to make questions using WH family.
Parents, your family, what do they think about this course?
Sir, they were very happy for me. They are very happy with me and also proud of me.
They're happy and proud.
Yeah.
Do they speak English?
Yes, sir.
Do your parents speak English?
Yeah, maybe sometimes.
No sir, sometimes.
Sometimes.
Do your parents speak English?
No sir, very little sometimes.
So what did your parents think about, or your family
Sir,
think about?
they say that if you learn English, that is better, and you should also encourage others to learn English, but you don't show off others that you are learning. Nervous on speaking in front of others, but after joining this course, I am a bit confident on speaking with others. Now I have gained a lot more fluency in speaking with others.
After doing this course, I didn't improve just my English, but I also improved as a personality. Now I can make an initiative in talking, in conversation, that I can go to someone and ask for his or her name and start the conversation. So I can make new friends, and I feel much confident than before. I want to join Indian Army.
I want to know from you, Kamal, what has been the change or transformation in the students?
Right now, what exactly I can see in them is there's a big change in them, in which they can speak this language well, and they have also improved their vocabulary, as well as they've also improved the confidence. The confidence level has also increased a lot.
What do you feel was a very important part of the British Council curriculum?
The most important part which I feel is that the way they have developed the course.
Also, I think they are the day-to-day activities that you are interacting with.
All these things are very much needed in everyday's life. Like you have to, if you are going to any hotel or if you are going to any shop, then these are the things which actually are done in that particular sector.
So we have kind of prepared them for the retail market?
Yes, we have prepared them for the retail market, as well as we have prepared them for the hospitality and different type of the basic conversation which should be there while you are showing your while
to help those who haven't had the opportunity of learning to speak English.
It was a very satisfying and a very fulfilling experience for me.
My experience with the Teach India program was wonderful. I think it's a brilliant idea, and I feel we are doing our small bit towards our country. The students were smart, eager, and very motivated.
I'm very happy that I've been able to devote some time for teaching spoken English programs to the people who I feel need the most. And I wish this program spreads across the country.
It has been a very unique, different experience of teaching the underprivileged students with Adharshila.
I'm very, very happy to be a part of this mass movement.
I'd like to thank Times of India, British Council and Adharshila for this wonderful opportunity to be a part of this movement to teach English to youth in India. I'm sure this program will go a long way in helping the youth to find better job opportunities and also increase their self-esteem and also help them to be better citizens in the country in the future.
We welcome you to our family and thank you for furthering our cause with that most precious commodity, which is your time. It's easy to make a living, but a lot tougher to make a difference. You make a living by what you get, but you make a life by what you give. Adharshila expresses its heartfelt appreciation for your efforts in making a difference and helping the youth in achieving their goals.
That before really starting up my career, I need to brush up my language a bit. But what I got there, it was really surprising because I did not only learn English, but I learned a lot about life. My teachers, Mrs. Mala Jolly and Mrs. Kumkum and Ishrat ma'am, she not only taught us English, but she taught us a lot things about life. We were like pictures, empty pictures, and these people filled up us with optimism, positivism, and they filled up us with life.
I was very weak in English. When I speak to another person, I am very confused. But now, after this course, I am very happy.
After this course, I am very happy. I have a confidence, and it's very helpful for me.
First of all, thanks to Times of India Group, because they gave us a good opportunity for learn English, and especially thanks for my teachers, Colonel Chadha and Anu Sethi ma'am. They gave us 100%.
Next time you order a mega cab, the person answering your call may be a spoken English Teach India pass out. Here, Mukesh tells you his story. Mukesh, when did you join mega cabs?
Yeah, I joined before 2 months before.
2 months earlier. And how was the spoken English program?
Yeah, so I was telling that means before I was here, so I was little used to confused when I used to talk with someone. But now I'm very better than before. When I don't have any kind of agitation now, and this is very good for that, I think.
When you went for your job to Mega Cab, did you feel that you were better than the others?
Yes, I feel well. When I joined there, so there is 2 rounds. Just in 1 round, I was selected there because I think she thought I'm perfect for that.
I am the coordinator of Adharshila. I have also got trained from British Council for this course.
That time I was not able to speak in English very comfortably. After some days, I gained some confidence, and after that, I also applied for job in Satyam in every place, and in interview I faced in 2 rounds and success. After that, I selected as a customer service associate at Nehru Place.
I had a bit more hesitation before joining this course, but now I can speak in English with fully confident. I gained in my confidence level.
And enjoy and Capricorn is nice job and hospitality and very powerful.
I did English speaking course in Adharshila. It's a 3-month course. After doing this course, I got a job in CCD, and I am really happy about it.
You can handle the cash counter and make the coffee and make us proud that you're a part of the Teach India program.